Hello everybody. I hope my video lessons are useful to you. Now I am going to explain past perfect. Before taking up past perfect, we should recall present perfect because there is some similarity between the two structures. Present perfect, subject to have or has plus past participle form plus object. Now in the place of have or has, we have to use had. That's the difference. The rest is the same. So look here, subject plus had plus past participle form plus object. So this is the pattern, structure, construction of past perfect. Subject had past participle form of verb plus object. Of course, past participle is, in short, you can say V3. So this is the structure. And compare this with the present perfect so that you can easily remember all the things. In present perfect, have or has only, and the verb is the same. In both the tenses, the verb is same, that is past participle, that is V3. In present perfect, only have or has. Past perfect, had only. So this is auxiliary or helping verb. Now with all the persons and numbers, the auxiliary is same, that is had. So I, we, you, they, noun in plural. With all these, we can use had plus take any verb. Got a medal. Next, he, she, it, noun in singular. With all these also same, had plus you can take any verb. Caught a ball. So look here once again. Subject had plus past participle form plus subject and had can be used with all the persons and numbers. So no difference, no discrimination. So take examples. I had got a medal. We had got a medal. You had got a medal. They had got a medal. People had got a medal. Boys had got a medal. So these are the different examples. Practice. Here also same. He had caught a ball. She had caught a ball. It had caught a ball. A boy had caught a ball. A girl had caught a ball. So these are the examples. And I will give some more examples. Here we have some more examples. Different examples with different verbs. I had completed my work. Had completed. So past participle form. We had met the CM. Had plus past participle form. They had recovered their jewelry. Recovered past participle. Had plus past participle. People had supported their leader. Supported. Had supported. We had narrated the story. So had plus narrated. Kavita had sent a new dress. Had sent past participle. So like this, you can prepare examples. Construct as many sentences as possible for practice. Next, we will take the interrogative form, that is question form and negative form also. Now interrogative form of past perfect. So I explained all the other tenses. Same is the case. Just to shift that auxiliary had and place it before the subject. So had interrogative form. Had plus subject plus past participle form plus object. So had plus subject plus past participle form plus object. So same is the verb V3. Next, WH word. WH word question. So WH word, or you can say what, when, how, something like that. Had plus subject plus past participle form plus object, and subject sometimes may be removed. Next, negative form also the same, just you have to use not. So negative form, subject had plus not plus past participle form plus object. So take one example. She had completed her work. So this is affirmative sentence. How to make it interrogative? First, had she completed her work? Had she completed her work? This is first type. Second type of question. What had she completed? Completed. See, this is affirmative. She had completed her work. Had she completed her work? Answer must be yes or no. And to this question, full answer is expected. What had she completed? She had completed her work. You can use who also. Who had completed her work? Then subject is absent. Next, take the negative form. She had not completed her work. She had not completed her work. So, in this manner, you can prepare different examples. I will give two more examples. Look here. He had won a medal. This is affirmative. He had won a medal. Subject had past participle object. So, subject had past participle form plus object. Now, interrogative sentence. Had he won a medal? Some of you may commit a mistake by using this present tense. So, that is wrong. Had he win? Wrong. Had he won a medal? So, other question. What had he won? What had he won? And negative form. He had not won a medal. He had not won a medal. Next example. You had got a job in bank. So, had. Had you got a job in a bank? Had you got a job in a bank? Other question. Where had you got a job? Where had you got? Here the question word where, and negative form. You had not got a job in a bank. You had not got a job in a bank. That is negative form. So, in this manner, practice all the forms. First, past perfect structure and interrogative form and negative form. Practice this and we'll take the usage in the next video. Thank you.